Here's how to export one frame from Final Cut Pro. Move your cursor head over the video to the location you want to export. Then go up to File, down to Share, over to Add Destination. In Destination, you'll see an option on the right-hand side that says Save Current Frame. Drag that to the left-hand side. From there, click on Save Current Frame. You're going to be able to set the export file type. From there, you can close the window. From now on, you can go to File, Save, Save Current Frame. A pop-up window will show up. You'll be able to name the frame, hit Next like you export a normal video, select the location you want to export it to, and hit Save. One thing to remember is the frames will only export at the resolution your canvas is set at. So if your canvas is set at 1080p, that's what your photos will export as. Hey, thank you for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a nice big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'd love to know what you're going to use this information for, and see you in the next one.